Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today I'm showing you how to make an electrolyte drink at home from very simple ingredients. Every person needs electrolytes, okay? Some people get away with a lot less. If you don't sweat a lot, you don't exercise a lot, you don't fast, generally you get enough electrolytes within whatever you eat. Now, if you spend a fair bit of time in hot climates, or hot climates and exercising, or hot climates and working outdoors, okay? If you spend a lot of time sweating, doing endurance exercise, you will require electrolytes. Also, when you're fasting, your body needs electrolytes. It makes fasting a lot easier. Okay, so what I'll show you now is how to make up a simple electrolyte mixture at home that you can make yourself anytime, keep in the fridge and drink. Okay, this will also stop getting cramps, night cramps that people complain about, which is generally an electrolyte imbalance. So let's have a look at the ingredients that you need. Okay, to start off you need water. Okay, here's my water bottle. It's roughly 2 litres. It's actually just under 2 litres, but close enough for the purpose of this video. Now, I use filtered rainwater. If you do not have access to filtered rainwater, I would recommend using some sort of bottled water or maybe filtered tap water if you have a top quality filter. Next, you will need Himalayan pink salt. And again, this is just one that's available locally. It's 100% natural Himalayan salt with no additives. Again, check your label. So if you turn this one around, it'll tell you there. Ingredients, 100% pink Himalayan rock salt. That's it. Okay, there's no additives, there's no anti-caking agents. And some pink salt sold in shops is actually fake. It's actually normal salt that they just dye pink. So it's actually got colours added to it. So be very careful what you buy. Next, you will need some natural Epsom salt. Make sure you get good quality German Epsom salts, which is basically magnesium sulfate. So this will give you a magnesium. I buy this particular one online. You can source your one wherever you like. The next ingredient is potassium chloride powder. Now, I use this particular one because it is available where I live. A lot of other stuff is not available, and also a lot of stuff that is available does have additives such as anti-caking agents. So make sure you check your label. It's very important to check your labels of anything that you eat or drink or consume, just so you know what you are actually getting. So this one is pure potassium chloride powder with no additives. And finally, you need some baking soda. Okay, I use this one, Mackenzie's. And again, I use this one because it's readily available where I live. I can just buy this in the local shop and be done with it. Again, there's no additives. It's just bicarb of soda or bicarbonate or baking soda, not to be confused with baking powder, which is a completely different thing. Do not buy baking powder and add it to your electrolyte drink. You will be very disappointed. Okay, bicarb soda, baking soda, or bicarbonate. So these are the ingredients that you will need. You can source them from wherever you like and whatever your local availability might be. Different parts of the world will have different availability. These are just what's available where I live. And this particular one here and that one there, I buy online and get it sent to me. This one I just buy at our local shop, and same with that one. Now, for convenience sake, I keep all my ingredients, potassium, magnesium, sodium, and bicarbonate in these little clip-lock containers. These containers cost $1 each, and they are very, very good for what they are. Okay, again, I just bought them locally. They've got a rubber seal around them, and they keep all your stuff nice and safe. And not only that, these stack up conveniently in the cupboard and take up very little space. You will also need some way of measuring the ingredients that you add to your water. I just use these little things. They cost almost nothing. You pick these up for a couple of dollars and they last you a lifetime. And they've got your measurement there and there, okay? So these are very convenient. I've got a whole set of these which go up to, I think 1 tablespoon, I believe. I'm not too sure now. So they're the main 2 that I use, so they're the ones I keep handy. To know the exact formula of your ingredients, I will just post them up on the screen for you now, and I will also put a list down on the description box for your convenience. Now what I've also done, to keep things really simple, okay, this is our sodium or pink Himalayan salt, and on the side there, I've written how much I need, just as a reminder to myself. I mean, I've mixed this up so many times, I pretty much know what it is, but there you go, this just makes it easy, okay? That's Himalayan pink salt, sodium. For the next one, we've got magnesium. Okay, it's written on the side there. Our next one is the bicarbonate powder. And there's your amount that you require. And again, for the potassium. And there it is. Okay, so that makes it very, very simple. And you might want to do something similar, or you just want to keep a list handy, or maybe your memory is better than mine and you don't need to write it down. Okay, there's our potassium. Keep in mind there's 2 litres in there, so we need 1, 2. We'll put that away. Then here's our bicarbonate. What's next? Magnesium. Okay, check your sides and a 1/4. Okay, there's our 1/4. And that's per litre. Okay, so remember we've got 2 litres in here. So we need and finally, we've got our pink Himalayan salt or sodium. There we go. And that's it. Close the lid and shake it up. And you're done. Put that in the fridge and it's ready to drink. So this is not a very strong mixture. However, the taste will still take some getting used to for some people. I quite enjoy it. Now, on a hot day in summer, especially if I'm training, I will drink this whole thing during the day. If you're training less, you might only drink half of it, okay? Don't overthink it, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can drink the whole lot in one day, or you can have this last you for 2 or 3 days. It really just depends on your own personal requirement. Your body will let you know. Don't buy into the stupidity of I need to drink 2 litres of water or 3 litres of water or 4 litres or 10 litres or whatever. You need to drink what your body requires. So if you are thirsty, that means you need to drink some water. If you're not thirsty, do not drink water. There's no need to. Don't drink anything. you're fine. Okay, you're not going to die. Now, if you find this excessively salty and you can't actually drink it, well, just lighten the mixture up a little bit, okay? Add a little bit less until you get used to it. However, if you need electrolytes, your body will crave the taste of this. So if I've been outside working all day, sweating, digging holes, doing whatever, I will find that I actually crave drinking this. If I haven't been sweating a lot, I don't actually feel like drinking it. Again, your body will tell you what is needed. Now, if you found this video useful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. And thanks for watching.